Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Muhammad Fasihuddin, teacher of Al Usman Institute, Dubai. Today's date is 10 December 2024 and the Islamic date is 9 Jamadi Thaani 1446. The upcoming month is Rajabul Murajjab. Let us begin with today's Tarbiyyah assembly. Today's topic: Protect yourself from hellfire. Dear children, the Prophet Muhammad said, "Ittaqun nara walau bishiqrin tamratin." Translation: Protect yourself from hellfire, even with a half date in charity. This hadith reminds us that even a small act of kindness or charity can save us from the punishment of hellfire. It is not about how much we give or do, but about the intention and effort to help others. A short story. Once a boy named Yusuf saw an old man sitting on the roadside, looking hungry. Yusuf had only one piece of bread for his lunch. He thought, if I give him some of my bread, I will not have enough for myself. But then Yusuf remembered the words of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam: Protect yourself from hellfire even with a half date. Yusuf broke his bread in half and gave a piece to the old man. The man smiled and prayed for Yusuf's happiness. Later, Yusuf felt a deep sense of joy and satisfaction in his heart. He realized that even sharing something small can make a big difference and bring blessings from Allah. Lessons from today's assembly. Point 1. Even small acts of charity and kindness are valuable in Allah's sight. Point 2. Always be willing to share what you have, even if it is small. Point 3. Good intentions and small efforts can protect us from hellfire. That's all for today. Inshallah, we will meet tomorrow with another inspiring topic. Let us pray to Allah to guide us in doing acts of kindness and charity every day. Ameen. Wassalam. Tarbiyyah Department.